TFNN Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien. We're going to bring you right around the world out here. So last night in Asia, folks, what we had is this, is that if we take a look at the Hang Seng first, Hang Seng was a flat market last night. Basically got up to a price point of 24.88 and couldn't get any further. Nikkei, the Nikkei in Japan. And why are we going to bring you around the world? We want to bring you around the world, folks, to bring you up to date as we're opening our markets and trading our markets. Nikkei, same type of setup, down 17 bucks. No juice underneath that market. Now, if we go over to Europe, we take a look at Europe and what's happening in Europe right now. The FTSE, if we take a look at the FTSE, what we have with the FTSE is this. FTSE is trading at 68.61. The highs that are out there in the FTSE is 69.04. Now, this is going to be crucial to keep your eye on, and the reason being is that our markets have broken topside. Bottom line, we'll see whether the FTSE can break topside. If we go into the DAX, what you're going to see in the DAX is this. The DAX got over its highs quite a while ago. And we're talking about quite a while ago. We're talking about they took them out on the 16th of January. Now, what you have out here this morning, can't handle the high, backing down to 72 points. We'll see if, in fact, that has some volume on the way back down. Now, let's get into our markets. And first, we're going to go right into the S&P. Why the S&P? So what we had on Friday, folks, is this. S&P gets over the highs of the last 4 months. Doesn't have the juice as it gets over the highs, but the bottom line is that you're over the highs. You have the price going over the highs, and what does that set up? Okay, so when you have a break topside or downtown, what's crucial is to get away from the price area. The price area that we're talking about right now is 2088. Right now we're 2089.75. If you take a look at the SPX, and the SPX in general is going to be the cleaner one to look at. And the reason being is that it doesn't trade. All 500 stocks in the market have to trade to get you that calculation. And the number you want to keep your eye on is this. It's 2093.55. The SPX at this particular point in the market, 1003, is trading at 2090. You close under this 2093.55, what does that mean? It means that you get a false break topside, can't handle it. When something like that happens, what are you going to be looking for? If you're a bull, what you're going to be looking for is you're going to be looking for a pullback. It has light volume, and you go right back topside. If you're a bear, you're looking for an expansion of volume as soon as you come back into this area. And when we're talking about, we're talking about today because you're coming back into this area. So that's a big number to watch for. The NASDAQ Composite. This is the other one that had broken topside. You want to keep your eye on the NASDAQ Composite. Now, the Composite has much further to go downtown before it got back in a lower range. We're at 48.86. That would have to come back almost 100 points to 47.87. Gold. What do we have with gold out here this morning? Gold, they're whacking gold big. But guess what? They can't hit the gold stocks. Divergence, big time. We're at 122,000 contracts right now. You're down 1860. Gold will probably, we're at 1208. It's going to need a lot more contracts than 100 and, well, even more than 200 in order to basically stay down. Thus far, the first leg down, it had the juice to like 1222, right? We're at 1208. What I expect you're going to see there, you're going to see in a rejection of lower price. In King Dollar, folks, we'll wrap it up with King Dollar. What you're looking for in King Dollar is this. King Dollar has backed off the highs. You had volume come into the market last week. King Dollar right now is trading at 94.19. That wants to go down and hit this 93.77. That area, if we have an expansion of volume once again, that's saying that King Dollar has topped out, and you'll see that start to pull back. Dow right now is down 34. NASDAQ's off 6. S&Ps are off 450. That S&P number, folks, 2093. That's the number to keep your eye on. You stay right there. Our man, Mr. Basil Chapman's going to be coming up next, growling and prowling with you each morning at 10 o'clock, folks. You're going to expect a nice update here. Have a great one. Have a safe one.